Hey there, welcome to Buke's World. In order to stay abreast of all new content I post, go back and hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the little bell icon to be notified of all new content as I post it. Okay, today I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial. Actually, before I do that, hey, look, Bambi came to visit me. Hey, Bambi. Okay. Anyway, actually, more than just a tutorial, I'm going to give you some advice on your barbecue grill. Number one, don't lend your barbecue grill out to anybody. This is about the third time this season I've lent it out, and the way the grill comes back, yeah, they do a little cleaning, and I do appreciate it, but I don't like to get it back with still cooked on grease and food articles still stuck in my grill. So pretty much what I use is I get some Easy Off, all right, and I saturate the top. Actually, first of all, I flip it over on the I flip it over upside down, saturate the hole underneath with Easy Off, flip it back up, do the same thing. Let it sit. Usually try to let it sit for about a good half hour. I usually let it sit for about 8 hours. I'm gonna come back, get yourself a nice little scouring pad. They make cleaning utensils for the grates. All right, and if you can see, I take my time and I scrub. Try to get in as much as possible, and when possible, when I can get my power washer working, I'll power wash it down. Today I couldn't get it to stay, so I just went on with the hardest jet stream on my garden hose and cleaned it down. And this is what I come back with. Normally this thing doesn't even look chrome or polished or stainless steel. It looks like it has a black powder coat on top when I get it back. All right, so again, my advice is don't lend it out without getting yourself a nice cleaning fee for the time and the effort that you have to put into actually re-cleaning your grill yourself. Another thing I like to do, a lot of people don't like to do, they like to cook right on the grates. Me, when I do, cover mine with non-stick aluminum foil, and I'll go that way. Hey, there's Bambi's brother. All right, okay, so anyway, that's my tutorial for today, or my advice for today. Thanks again for tuning in to Buke's World. Have yourself a great barbecue.